So I think we'd been to an event which was looking at how to measure social impact, and at that event, which was run by Smartline, we were introduced to the social value engine, which is a software tool that helps you to measure social return on investment, and we were really interested in using that. As a small organisation, the investment in the license was quite a lot for something that we weren't quite sure how often we were going to use it. And James from Smartline encouraged us to apply for an ideas generation grant, which we did, and we were successful in that. And that enabled us to not only purchase the license for our own use, but also to offer it as a service to freelance practitioners, other small arts and health organisations in Cornwall, which has been great. Yes, it gave us the opportunity to have conversations with other organisations that we might not otherwise have spoken with about measuring social return on investment. So we talked with people in the environmental sector about how they were using it, which was interesting. And it's enabled us to sort of offer this service. The service hasn't really taken off as yet, but we are in discussion with Cornwall Council, the creative team there, about how they might want to use it. I think the way in which we've benefited, and if you like, the freelancers that work for us have benefited, is that we've been able to demonstrate the social impact that our work has. So recently we delivered a project which had a whole range of different activities in it, and we were able to measure, using the social value engine, we were able to measure what the social return on investment was of each of those activities, so that we knew, for example, for every £1 invested in the arts activities, we were able to see a return on investment of something like £7. So that's not only helpful for us as an organisation, but it's also helpful for those who are delivering those activities, for them to add to the evidence base about why this stuff works. So I guess the other benefit of engaging with Smartline is they've introduced us to other business support programs as well. So we are engaged with Epic, which James introduced us to, and he's also, I think Smartline's also been really helpful in putting us in contact with organisations that can support us, so people who are familiar with the digital and technological world, which I'm not, and he's been able to sort of facilitate those introductions for us, which has been great. So it's been a really great networking opportunity, really, working with Smartline.